think of a cool strategy we can run. Let's do it again, simple as well. So let's go, okay, if Tesla price is lower than sorry, let me put an A there, then Tesla, let's go if it's lower than the 3-hour high. So we'll just use 36 by 5-minute bars. You could put 3 by 1 hour bars. I just prefer to use this high. And we can say by at least 5%, then by 10 Tesla. Okay, so we're just saying here that anytime the price drops from a 3-hour high of Tesla, then we want to get into the market. And again, we're going to test this. Let's test and see what's going to work best for when we get out. So we're going to click next, and we're going to close position. And let's just use what we've been using for the moment. So at profit of 2% or loss is 2%. We'll start with that. That's a very basic one there. And we're going to run here, backtest. Great, perfect. And we'll click there. I'm just getting a question. Let's see. Okay, Natalie, the P&L is gross, so it doesn't include any trading fees or anything like that. Great. So while this is running, traders, let's continue with the same formula that we've been using to try and find the best results. And how we're going to do that, we're just going to go back to clone again, and we're going to clone it. It's going to bring us up. And while this is running, you don't have to wait for your strategies to run, rather create more. So you're getting more work done out of your time. And again, we're going to say, okay, we'll close position at 6%. Okay, or loss is 2%. So we're playing around with the numbers. We're seeing where the markets are at the moment. And let's, okay, we'll click got there. Let's clone it again. And let's try again what we did the last time and increase the loss a little bit. So, oh no, we're going to go back to exit strategy, and we're going to change this to 4%. And then we'll try this strategy with a trailing stop. Let's see what comes out of it. And in the end, you know, that's all you actually need is your own data. You want to see the data for yourself. And, you know, this is an easy way for you traders to see how your strategies would cope in the markets. For our 4th and 5th, let's try the trailing stop. So we're going to go at a trailing stop of 2%. There we are, and we'll click next, and we'll backtest, and then we'll clone, and we're going to change it to, let's go for 5%. Great, so we've just, it's taken maybe 3 minutes, if I'm correct, maybe 4, somewhere around there, to create 5 different strategies to test. The exact same entry, we're just looking at a different exit. Rob, traders, this webinar will be recorded, so don't worry. Rob, don't drop off, please. You will, okay, yeah, you just want to watch it again. Okay, so you will all be able to watch this webinar again, so don't worry about it. So let's look at our next strategy and how it performed. We use the exact same entry, just a simple price drop by at least 5% from a 3-hour high. And we actually ran 5. So we started out with the closed position at profit of 2%, losses 2%. You can see the hits there. We got 14%. When we moved profit up, we went up considerably, almost doubled our P&L. And then at 6 to 4%, it's neither here nor there. It all depends on your risk appetite. And once you find what the appropriate one is, then you can start testing it over a group of assets. I'm going to show you how to do that in our next strategy. And then here, let's take a look at this. A trailing stop of 2% gave us 11 or 12%, and of 5% we were close above 85% there. However, that may not be the best strategy for you. Again, it depends on your risk